Which utility you used for streaming?
Who, me?
Yeah. I use Evolve.
If I turn into a Goliath, will I have Goliath arms set?
I don't know.
No, because this person is a Goliath, and this person is an elemental, and they don't.
I thought this was hilarious. Came here and stopped by and took a look at it. It's like, what? An Asura is a little bit bigger than a mini.
Oh my gosh.
Yes.
Wait, what?
I gotta try and stream it.
User joined your channel.
What's up?
PO'd.
What?
PO'd.
Why?
I don't want to, but
Have you logged in yet?
I'm about to.
I'll get ready for some fun.
It will fully fix anything you're upset about.
What do you mean?
You'll see.
Just log in.
And turn your volume up.
How's that feel? Excruciating?
What the hell?
You found it.
Yep.
You've been jumping off of by the statue in Divinity's Reach. You don't suffer any hit points. Or well, you do die, but
Why is everything like old-fashioned movie?
April
Because
Fools.
you're an aviator, and if you run around, you'll make aviation noises.
Oh my gosh!
You should try
Adrenaline
that.
rising.
And you
Yeah.
run around screaming like an airplane.
Yep.
Almost ready. That's I don't have enough energy. Retreat!
Take everybody's stream.
I achieve things. I'm an achiever.
No. Sorry, I'm in my story trying not to die.
Are you flying freely?
Yes. Flying freely. And I'm on fire. And I died.
She's down. She's down.
I'm gonna upload this.
Well, on TV, not about game. You should do some Asian rolls.